So this is the dEVtALK new series that we'll be doing. We will be focusing on conversations around software engineering, back-end development, front-end development, database conversations, cloud conversations, um, deployment infrastructure, containerization, Docker, Kubernetes. So all of those we will be dealing with them. Excuse me. So if you're new to the channel, we would appreciate if you like and subscribe, because that gives us momentum to continue what we're doing. And if you haven't seen any of our videos or tutorials, I would recommend that you please do check those out. They come in very handy for back-end development, front-end development, database, as well as cloud technologies, predominantly AWS. That's what we're utilizing most in the tutorials. But yeah, this series here is going to assist developers in terms of having those conversations or difficult conversations where you have challenges in implementing features, or there are new upgrades, dependencies, libraries that you want to explore. We are happy to assist you in those. So this is a much cleaner. I did 2 trial lives to just test this, but now we are looking good. I'm happy to proceed having a conversation with you guys. Everything is sorted now, and yeah. So the stack that I predominantly use is Spring Boot backend, microservices architecture to be exact, and then I do utilize a number of databases. Postgres, SQL Server are the most common databases that I've used. But in nowadays, with the tutorials, I have moved to actually having the databases in S2, because I realized they make life easy for developers in terms of pulling a repository when I commit the changes to Git. So having the database packaged with the application makes life easy, and it's lightweight, so it doesn't really add any overhead in terms of the performance of the application. It doesn't affect anything, so it only makes sense to have the database as part of that. So any tutorial that would require like the database integration will be adding S2 going forward. Obviously, I will be adding Liquibase so that it spins up everything that you need, and you are just able to plug and play. So that's how I'm structuring the latest tutorials. And the next thing is Angular. So Angular development, that's predominantly front-end applications, and I'll basically go through any UI concern that you might have. I basically cover most of those and have conversations around those, and you'll be able to pull the code once I commit those into Git as well. So happy to have any conversation. If you have an issue, we'll go through that and we'll basically find a fix for you. So yeah, that's about it in terms of the back end and the front end. Currently, what I'm working on is documentation. So I am looking into a Swagger documentation of one of the orchestration services that we're working on. I need to sort out that document and present it to architects. So I need to have a conversation with those guys, and they can give me thumbs up to actually go and write the code after that. So once the architects are happy, I can be able to then sit with the developers and we work on writing code to implement all of these changes. So yeah, that is what I am busy with currently. And on a day-to-day, we will be going through what I'll be working on and how I solution different challenges, particularly for development. And you can basically take those, run with them on your side, implement them on your end, and hopefully you learn from this space, you learn from these dEVtALKs, and you learn from the community that we're trying to build, and share the knowledge, share the skill, upskill others where we can, upskill me where you can, which I would really, really appreciate. But about that, I would appreciate a like and a comment and a subscription. Those really do say hi to my why. So they really feed into why I'm doing this, and that's so to assist other developers grow and share what I've learned so far, and I think also other developers to share what they've learned so far, and I can learn from that. So yeah, that's about it about me, and I hope you guys do join the conversations as you build up, and you basically stay tuned for more of these sessions where we'll be going through different developer challenges. If you are keen to show us your issue where you're finding difficulty, we are here to help. And yeah, that's the reason why I'm setting up these daily conversations with the devs, so that we can assist you hash out all your challenges quicker than you typically do if you are on your own, and also just getting rid of nightmares, because debugging code most of the times is not nice. So yeah, let's have those conversations, and let's help each other write better code. That's the plan for these dev talks. Let me see. So I'm almost done with the Swagger doc. I'm just making sure that the payload conforms to everything that we planned for, and it looks good. Let's see here. So we have planned with that. Yeah. So here, get that is not right. Get that and get that. And here get that. Okay. And get this. Oh, okay, makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Right. So let me align this quickly. We have this guy. So this is fine. That is fine. That also. Let's see. So I need to take this guy and make sure that we have So the items here going to be going to be usage. This is outstanding. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now I need to find message. Oh, this is message. Let's do that. And let's just do this guy. This will be this like that. Alright, so that's fine. Okay, makes sense. So let me just do that so that it's more detailed in terms of what I'm doing. And let's do that. Okay, so this looks good. And yeah, I think that's about it for this conversation. Until next time, for now, cheers.